requests of the people as a police professional. He responds to the request of Steve Levy only to make Steve Levy look good. That's the big problem within the police department. We need a true police professional to run it. It is hurting the residents. Children are being shot in the parks. They're being shot in the streets. Assaults are rampant everywhere. It's horrible. We've heard crime is down, crime is down. We all know that crime is up. It's a problem. The problem is Levy and Dormer are not being honest with the public. We need to have that honest dialogue. We need to address what the appropriate resources are to address these problems, the gang problems that are in the streets. People don't come to Suffolk County because children are being shot playing basketball in a park or being macheted in the street and having their bodies lay there for hours and hours and hours. Those are horrible, horrible conditions. The people of Suffolk County deserve better. All along they tried to make this a union issue. Levy tried to blame it on the union and just being greedy. I'm telling you, the voice of the people is heard. The legislators' phones are ringing off the hooks. We're behind the curve right now. We're behind the curve because when those police officers out in the street were saying how bad it's getting out there, the detectives whose caseload is backing up because it's so busy, those needs aren't being addressed. The resources aren't there to get this job done. We need those resources. Starting salary for police has been reduced by $15,000. This legislature took a really tough vote increasing property taxes in the police district by 3%. That wasn't easy. They all put their career on the line. Why? To protect you, to protect the people of Suffolk County. That was a brave and courageous act. Now they have to put the pressure on Steve Levy, and with your support, that pressure will get there, and he'll hire those much-needed police officers. Thank you.